In this video, we are going to explore some of the basic functions available in this Parks web application. Let's start with the legend icon, which is located in the upper left portion of the screen. Clicking on the legend icon will display the context behind all of the symbols currently being displayed on the web map. You can toggle the legend on and off as many times as you see fit. Now moving to the lower left portion of the screen, we have buttons which allow you to zoom in, zoom out, or return to the default extent. Let's pan in a couple times and move around the map. And from here, we're going to click on one of the parks and select the Zoom to option. This quickly takes us into the park, and from here, we can click on the park report link, which will take us to a different web page showing general information about the park as well as activities and amenities available there. Now let's close the park report and return to the home screen. Now let's go over the basic search functions available in this application. Clicking on the drop-down arrow, you can see that you can search by a variety of categories, including location, park name, address point, and tax parcel. By default, anything you enter in the text box will search all of these categories unless you select one individually. Let's try typing in Kailua, and as you can see, we have a number of returns based on location, park name, and address point. From the selections, let's try the Kailua District Park, and as you can see, we quickly zoom to the park where we could once again click on the park report if we wanted to see more information. Let's clear the search window, and this time we're going to select park name. This time when we type in Kailua, you will see that there are only two options available because we are no longer searching all the other categories. Let's clear the window again, and this time we're going to select the tax parcel search. Now you can start typing in the 8-digit TMK code, and you can see as I'm typing there are a list of suggestions that are being displayed. Now that we've finished typing in the full 8-digit number, we can click on the selection and it will take us to the park in question. Let's clear the window one last time and return to the home screen. The last thing we're going to go over in this video is the layer list icon. If you click on the layer list icon, you will see that there is one optional layer that you can toggle on and off. In this case, it is the council districts for the island. Clicking on the checkbox will bring up more icons, and at this point you can click on one of the council districts and see some basic information about it. Like the legend icon, you can toggle this on and off as often as you want. This concludes the basic tutorial video for this web application.